Welcome to Michael's Beer Review. Tonight I'm reviewing Me So Honey by Belching Brewery. It's in San Diego. Since 2012, so this brewery hasn't been around, and they have a stout that I liked. It was a peanut butter stout. They only have it in this size, which is, might be a 24 ounce. It's a 1 pint, so it's like $5, so it ain't cheap. 5.5 alcohol. American wheat pale ale. It's American wheat beer. It's a pale American wheat beer. That's all it is. Murky. Wheat beers are murky. Smell honey. Got some noble hops. You can smell the wheat. Again, what did I like? It was something stupid by Lagunitas. It's good. 312 Urban by in Chicago. It's Goose Island. It's good. Urban 312 Urban. So American wheat. And what else I had? I had some other California wheat beers were good. I like the style. I don't like something in my beer, so it's a risk for me because I don't like fruit beers. I don't like kind of fruity types of beers. Really not a Blue Moon guy. I like something that's naturally in the beer, not artificial. Sometimes Sammy Adams has artificial flavors in their beer. It's not natural to have like a straw. If you have a cherry, it should taste like cherry, not like a wine spitzer or something like this. Be natural tasting. Let's get started. When I had that, when I had that stout, which is peanut butter, it would flow really good with the beer. Let's get started. Smell again. It smells like wheat. Taste. It has a really. I didn't think it would be that good. That was a risk for me because I don't like tasting beers. If I rate it bad or average, because I don't give F's out. I just don't. I don't like wasting my beer. I like rating high because if I buy it, I want to get my money's worth. It's an excellent beer. The honey is natural. Has some really good tasting honey. It has a wheat taste. It has some lemony, kind of a earthy hops to it. It's very drinkable. Summer beer. Break away from your Anheuser-Busch and Miller products. It would be, women would like this more than the Budweiser, Anheuser-Busch or Miller products. Good choice. Again, it's not cheap. For 1 pint, it's like $7-8, but they do a really good job. I didn't think it would be that good. It was like I said, I was just grabbed it. Grabbed the bottle hoping for the best, and it's good. It's better than good. It's excellent. I'd give it an A. Belching Brewery, have that beaver on it. Has a honeybee on there. They have a lot of breweries in San Diego, and this is one I think will break away because they have specialty beers which are really well made. It's an A beer for sure. When a special occasion comes up in the summer, I'd buy this. Again, it's not the cheapest thing in the world, but it's worth it. A lot of beers are expensive. It's not worth it to me. For my taste, I like American wheat beers. They're not bad. They're not overly priced. They're not overly hopped. Again, what can you say? A plus or A. Little something or something stupid or is better. But this is up there with the Urban 312. I think it's over Urban 312. Urban 312 is cheaper. So if they come with 6-packs, just like the price of Urban 312, I'd buy it. Buy it if you like American wheat beers, women, men who like lighter beers, try it out. Break away from the Bud Lights, Coors Lights. In the Bud Light's watered down compared to this. Good taste. Nothing wrong with Bud Light. but try it out. It's good for the summer, which isn't the summer. We're almost in the spring. Out here in California, we're almost in the spring because it's always 80 or 90, but try it out. Belching Brewery. You ain't going to find it anywhere else. When we find it, you won't find it at your local California 7-Elevens or gas stations. You'll find it even at Rouse or Albertsons. You'll find it at Wine and More, Bevmo, your local specialty beer company or wine, not beer company, beer store or wine store. And try it out. Comments, question, if you have it. Me so honey, not horny, it's me so honey. Belching Brewery, keep it up because they're good. They're a good brewery. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions. Bye.